This is such a little cutie. This is the Vintage Cruiser by Gulfstream. I love, love, love the vintage. The red, the white, the wheels with the white, and the hubcaps look awesome. Let's go in and check out this cute little RV. This is so adorable. You've got this cute little booth with the dinette with the red and the white. I love that. Plenty of storage. Nice little sink. This is so cute. Coming over, it looks like they've got like a great little, nice little oven. Really cute little propane stove. Got the cool red refrigerator freezer, little freezer. It's pretty cute, huh? This is awesome. Come back. You got a nice size shower actually for a camper this size. I think this is 19 feet. And then a nice little powder room. You've got sink, toilet, actually a nice size little bathroom for this size. And then this is the sleeping area. Cute little cabinets. Pretty nice for a small camper, right? Super awesome. I love the vintage. We had to come in here and check this little guy out. Super cute. Nice little design and super bright red and white. I love it. Super cute.
We're Dave and Angie with Outdoor More to Explore. For more RV tours and videos about full-time RVing, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.